The life on Mars, how humans will survive. For centuries, Mars has captured human imagination as a distant red world filled with mystery. Today, it is no longer just a symbol of science fiction, it is a real destination in humanity's future. With rapid advances in space technology, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology, scientists believe that humans may one day live and thrive on Mars. But surviving on a planet so hostile to life will require innovation, resilience, and a complete rethinking of how we live. Why Mars? Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has a day length similar to Earth's, seasons, polar ice caps, and evidence of water in the past. While its thin atmosphere and cold temperatures make survival difficult, Mars offers valuable resources that could support human life, making it the best candidate for long-term human settlement beyond Earth. Living in Martian habitats. Mars has extreme conditions, freezing temperatures, intense radiation, and frequent dust storms. To survive, humans will live in specially designed habitats. These structures will likely be built underground or covered with Martian soil, regolith, to protect against radiation and temperature fluctuations. Future Martian homes may be 3D printed using local materials, reducing the need to transport building supplies from Earth. Inside, these habitats will be pressurized, climate-controlled, and equipped with advanced life support systems to recycle air and water efficiently. Breathing, water, and energy. One of the biggest challenges on Mars is producing breathable air. Technologies like oxygen generation systems will extract oxygen from carbon dioxide, which makes up most of Mars' atmosphere. Water will be obtained by melting ice found beneath the Martian surface or at the poles, then recycled repeatedly. Energy will come from solar panels and small nuclear reactors, ensuring a continuous power supply during dust storms and long Martian nights. Reliable energy will be essential for heating, life support, communication, and food production. Growing food on the red planet transporting food from Earth is not sustainable for long-term missions. Humans on Mars will rely on space agriculture, growing crops in controlled environments such as hydroponic or aeroponic systems. Scientists are already experimenting with growing plants in simulated Martian soil. These greenhouses will not only provide fresh food but also help recycle carbon dioxide into oxygen, improving air quality and supporting mental well-being for astronauts living far from Earth. Human health and adaptation. Mars has lower gravity, about 38% of Earth's, which can weaken muscles and bones over time. To stay healthy, settlers will follow strict exercise routines and possibly use artificial gravity systems in rotating habitats. Radiation exposure is another serious risk. Advanced shielding, medical monitoring, and possibly genetic or biological enhancements could help humans adapt to long-term life on Mars. Telemedicine and AI-powered diagnostics will play a key role in healthcare. Mental survival and society. Surviving on Mars is not just a physical challenge, it's a psychological one. Isolation, confinement, and distance from Earth can affect mental health. To cope, Martian communities will focus on strong social bonds, virtual communication with Earth, entertainment, and purpose-driven work. Over time, Mars settlements may develop their own culture, routines, and even a new sense of human identity, marking the beginning of a multiplanetary civilization. A new chapter for humanity. Life on Mars will test humanity like never before. It will require global cooperation, ethical decision-making, and respect for a new world. Yet, if humans succeed, Mars will not just be a survival outpost, it will become a symbol of human curiosity, resilience, and evolution. The journey to Mars is more than a mission to another planet. It is a step toward ensuring the future of humanity beyond Earth, proving that wherever there are challenges, humans will find a way to survive and thrive.